up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we are celebrating a birthday. It is Winston Patrick's 1-year birthday. Our puppy turned 1 year old, so we are having a little celebration for him. We are making Pupcakes for the boys. Now these are cupcakes that are specially made for dogs. They have all the good things that dogs can eat and none of the bad stuff, so that's what we're making for him. We got Winston and Patrick from a place in Louisiana called Rescue, Rehome, Repeat. I think they're based out of Denham Springs, which is outside of Baton Rouge. But we got both of our guys from them. Great organization. Look them up. They have a Facebook page. If you're in the area and you want a puppy, talk to them. They can hook you up. They have all kinds of adoption events all over town too. So we went to a place in Baton Rouge and picked up Winston, and when he was like about this big. Anyway, guys, this is the recipe for Pupcakes. It's made out of peanut butter and carrots and applesauce. And I know Winston and Buddy both are going to love that because they are crazy. They're like their papa. They're crazy for peanut butter. But anyway, guys, here comes the recipe for Pupcakes. If you guys are not a subscriber, take a second, hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like the video. It helps so much. Also, if you want a downloadable version of this recipe, you can find it at our webpage, which is tastingaround.com. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to do is put a half a cup of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of honey in our mixing bowl. And I sprayed the container first, so hopefully it was easy to come out, and it was pretty easy. It wasn't bad. Into this, we're going to put 3/4 of a cup of applesauce. This is unsweetened, plain old applesauce, nothing to it. We're going to put 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to put 1 egg. We have preheated our oven to 350 degrees, so it's ready to go. So go ahead and raise this up and mix that together until it's well mixed. All right, so we're going to put 1 cup of whole wheat flour plus 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder. And we're going to put that together and let that mix. Add in. Okay, we're going to drop it. Okay. That's all there is to that. Let's push this big boy. Well, that was a lovely noise. Okay. Scrape this. You're not going to smell it in a minute here. It smells good. I smell of peanut butter. It smells good. It smells like peanut butter cookies. So that's what we're working with, the consistency. Now into this we're going to put about 1/2 cup of carrot. These are the matchsticks carrots. I'm going to kind of crunch them up a little bit so they're not as long, because these are really long. Just like that. Stir that in. Fold this in. All right. We have a prepared muffin pan, and I greased it really well because I'm not going to use liners on it. I'm going to take a scoopful into each one. Got a feeling I'm going to run. It's going to make about 9, or 8-ish. It's going to make 9, which is more than enough for the boys. Trying to even it out a little bit. And one more. We're going to put it, let's put it right there. Maybe. Okay. So this is going to go into your 350 degree oven for 15-20 minutes until they're cooked, until the tester comes out clean. All right, guys, these baked for 15 minutes on the nose. We're going to let these cool for about 15 minutes in the pan. Then we're going to set them out, let them cool completely, and make our icing for them. All right, guys, the frosting is so easy for our icing. It is 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt plain, and about a tablespoon of honey. We're just going to mix that together. I am not getting the mixer out for this. I just cleaned it, so it's not happening. We're just going to mix that together. That is all there is to that. We'll take our spatula and make sure it's mixed well. You know I gotta taste this. That's actually surprisingly good. A little tart from the yogurt. It's not bad at all. All right, kids, so we're gonna put this in a piping bag. These are the little piping bags I got from Amazon. All right, I'm just going to kind of close it like that for now until everything cools off, and we're ready to put that on the Pupcakes. All right, these have cooled, so I'm going to use a knife and just kind of lift them out, and we're going to set them on a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Sorry about that noise. Michael is watching something on TV, and it just got really loud. Piece fell off. And you know I'm going to taste that as well. Not bad, guys. Not great, but it's not bad at all. It's actually kind of good. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is we have our icing in here. We're just going to cut a big old hunk off the end of it, just like that. And scoosh it down to the end. This is going to be a simple little frosting because it's for dogs after all. For the best dogs in the world, but still for dogs. So I'm going to put those on our plate. And I just want to put a plop right in the middle of it, just like this. Just make it, you can decorate it any way you want. If you want to just smear it on the top, I don't think the dogs will mind. Okay. Now to decorate it, We are going to take a few more of these little carrot stick things, kind of lay them right across the top. Maybe we'll stick them in a little bit. Just like that. I do not know what Michael is watching, but it is loud. I really don't think my Buddy and Winston are going to care what this looks like. But our little puppy has been the best little puppy. We did not think he was going to get housebroken, but then all of a sudden one day, boom, he's housebroken. He went over to his Uncle Britt's house and he like learned how to do what he needed to do, I think was pretty much it. Okay, so that's it, guys. We're going to feed the dogs shortly on his birthday.
Okay, ready?
All right. There you go, boys. I think they like them. Happy birthday, Winston. Yep. Buddy can eat things in one bite. That dog can tear food up. What do you think, Bubba? What you think? Oh. Okay, I think they get the thumbs up. All right, guys, that's our Pupcakes that for Winston's birthday, the peanut butter cup Pupcakes. The recipe will be on the website at tastingaround.com. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe, become a subscriber. Other than that, you guys have a safe week out there, but above all, take care of each other.